Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Holbrook and Mama Echo is here today to start us off with a knock knock joke. Are you ready? Knock knock. You're saying, who's there? Here, I'll have Baby Echo do it. Knock knock. Who's there? Owls go. Owls go who? That's right, they do. Did you get it? Do you like that one? We do. All of us owls over here. Okay. What do you say we get our warm up started? Repeat these loud and proud. W wind wa. Q queen qua. Z zebra z. F fun. A apple a. I itch I. E ed a. U up a. O octopus ah. Great. And now for our standard cards. Let's do some vowels and a few consonants. A apple a. B bat b. D dog d. E ed a. G game g. I itch I. O octopus ah. S snake s. U up And what's next? Come on, you guys know by now. You're pros. Yeah, we're gonna sing these vowels. Here we go. A apple a. E ed a. I itch I. O octopus ah. U up Beautiful singing, everyone. Some words with me. Here we go. Take a look at this word. And elbows up. Let's tap and read. L, I, t, lit. What does that mean? Like he lit a candle. He did it in the past. Yes, or his shoes lit up. Do any of you have those cool shoes? Those light up shoes? Okay, get ready for the next one. Elbows up. Tap with me. L, I, p, lip. And sometimes when we blend, we can blend and really stretch the sound until it knocks the next one. Watch. Lip, lip. Ah. Okay, here's our next word. I'm going to change the middle sound, changing out my vowel. Okay, tap it with me. L, a, p, lap. Let's look at it like this. Let's try it again. Lap, lap. What's the word? Lap. Lap is a cool word. It's got more than one meaning. Can everyone take your hands and put them on your lap? Ah, can you think of another thing for lap? Like the race car driver did a lap around the track? Or you're going to swim laps in the lake? Very good. Oh, that's right. There's another one. An animal, when it drinks its water, sometimes we say it laps the water. There you go. Pretend to be a puppy and lap some water. Very good. I know it's silly, but that's okay. Okay, let me put these letters back and let's do some words that start with R and end with P. Okay, elbows up with me. Let's tap out this word. A, p, wrap. Let's do it again. Wrap, wrap. What's the word? Wrap. Who thinks they can rap me a little bit of a song? I'm not a very good rapper, but maybe you are, and I'd love to hear it. Maybe you could rap the ABCs, like A, B, C, D. All right, I'm not even going to try. Okay, oops. Okay, our next word starts with R and ends with P, but there's a different vowel in the middle. Elbows up with me. Let's read, tap and read. Ip, rip. What's the word? Rip. Who can tell me what rip means? Yes, like you could rip some paper. Or if any of you play baseball or softball and you have a big hit, we say that was a rip. Good. Okay, I'm going to change out my R and make it an N. Let's tap it. Ip, nip, nip, nip. What do you think of for nip? Oh, like a dog bit you a little bit. It gave you a little nip. Okay. And let's try one more word. Let's tap, elbows up. Sip, sip. Let's pretend to take a sip of our favorite drink. Mine is a refreshing glass of pink lemonade. Baby Echo, would you like a sip? Okay, great job. So here's what I need everybody to do. I need you to get your dry erase board and a marker. Pause right here if you need to go grab those materials. Okay, I want everyone to check their grip. Make sure that you are pinching and wrapping to make a little desk so that when you write, it looks just like this. Or if you're left-handed, you're pinching and writing with a table. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. I am going to say a sound. You will repeat it, and then we're going to write it on our boards. Okay, I will give you the verbalizations of how to form the letter. I want you to make sure you repeat after me and do it the right way. Repeat after me. Z. What says Z? Very good. Z. Okay, so to write our Z, here's what we're going to do, everybody. Point to the plane line, go on the plane line, slide back on the grass line, then go on the grass line. Z, zebra, Z. If that letter was tricky for you, I want you to pause here and do some more. Okay? Remember, if you can use this side, this is what we would like to do. So if you need more practice on the Z, pause here and do a whole row for me. Okay, you're back. It sounds like you must be ready. Repeat after me. Eh. What letter says eh? Very good. E. Okay, get ready to write. Here we go. Point between the plane line and grass line. Fly under the plane line. Then go up to the plane line and around to the grass line. E, ed, F. I want everyone to practice a whole row of E's. Pause here and practice. How did your E's come out? Good. Put a circle around your favorite one and take your hand and pat yourself on the back. Good job on those E's. They can be a little tricky. Okay, let's do another letter. Repeat after me. W. What letter says W? What one? That's right, the W. Very good. Okay, let's get ready to write. Make sure you're gripping your marker the right way. Everybody, point to the plane line. Slide down to the grass line. Slide up to the plane line. Slide down to the grass line. And slide up to the plane line. W, wind, W. A whole row of W's. You got it. It's a slide. Plane line slide letter. You're back. Did you do a whole row of W's? You're being honest? Honesty is very important. Okay, then let's do one more letter. Repeat after me. K. What says K? Yes, there are two, the C and the K. We're going to write the lowercase k. It's a skyline letter. Yes, it is. So here we go. Point to the skyline. Go down to the grass line. You can pick up your marker on this one. Leave a little space. Point to the plane line. Slide over and touch your tall line. Slide over to the grass line. Okay, kite. And yep, you got it. It's time for you to do a whole row of Ks. Okay, how'd the Ks come out? Great, you're back. So the last thing we're going to do is some dictation. Here's what I want you to do. I want you to number these lines 1, 2, 3. I'm going to say 3 different sounds for you to write. Here's number 1. Repeat after me. P. On number 1, write the letter that says P. And don't forget, you can look in your student notebook if you need help. You can pause and take your time on this to do it right. Make sure you're holding your marker right and writing the letters right. Okay, time for number 2. Repeat after me. Y. Write the letter that says Y. Take your time on Y for number 2. And number 3, I. Write the letter that says I. Okay, pause and check your sounds, and when you come back, you'll check with mine. Welcome back. Check that you did your P, your Y, and your I. Make sure that they're neat. If you need to stop and fix them and practice more, now's the time to do that. Okay, erase your boards and go ahead and number it 1, 2, 3 again. We're going to do 3 words and then say peace out for the day. Okay, here's word number 1, lip. Tap it, L, I, P, and write the letters for each sound. Pause it here to write lip. Okay, I want to do one more thing before I move on. After we tap it, let's spell it out loud. Here we go. L, I, P, L, I, P. And then we write it. Go ahead and check it. Okay, here's your next word. Sit. Let's tap it together, elbows up. S, I, T. Now spell it with me. S, I, T. Pause here to write it and then come back to check it. Okay, if you're back, check your work to mine. Pause if you need to fix it. Great job. Our last word for today. Repeat after me. Mad. Elbows up. M-A-D. Let's spell it out loud. M-A-D. Pause here to write it. Okay, you're back. Go ahead and check mad. Make sure that D is looking this way. Sometimes if I get confused on my B and my D, I write bed on the top of my paper. And I know bed starts with a B and ends with a D, so I can see what way it goes and match it to check my work. Let's read our 3 words together. Here we go. Lip, sit, mad. Great job today, readers and writers. We will see you tomorrow.